Hey and welcome. When you develop application for Android, it will work fine on your emulator, but when you push it on the store, you'll see it work on some devices and will not work on other. Which is totally normal, because if you have image with size 200 by 200 and you try to push this image on device with an x5, it will work fine because the memory size is big enough to hold all the information in the cache when you load this image. But when you see it in the store, you'll see maybe other devices will not be able to load that images. So you'll see your application will working fine on some devices and it will fail on other devices. Because if you go to other devices from Samsung, they will not be able to load big images because their memory size. For that reason, Android, if you go to the Android developer website, which is this website, support multi-screens, you will see, he asks you here to have different size from every image. So every image you have in your project, you have to have different size for that image. How to do that? Really easy. If you go here to GitHub, this is a good tool to use. Name it Final Android Resizer. Just click on download, and it is just keep it. It is just JR file. So this is one Final Android Resizer. Bam, he asked me about something about developer. It's happened only on Mac machine. So on Mac machine, you go to the settings, you go to the security, privacy and security, and try to open anyway. Open. He will ask you for the password, maybe if you are first time. If you not, it will be okay. So yes, this is tools. Open it, and here I am. So what I want to do? Okay, going back to this folder, I have in Android, I have assets. I have list of the zoo images. I want to get different size from these images. What I will do, I will create folder. I name it support different size. Okay, different size. And what I will do, just drag all these images, drop them here. Okay, then he asked me to add destination first. Okay, first select the destination. My destination should be in desktop, Kotlin, Android, assets, then zoo app, then this folder. Choose it. Now what I will do, okay, now which folder you have to go. If you see here, he asks, he will do different size, LDPI, MDPI. What happened here? LDPI, MDPI, HDPI, XX, all these sizes. So you will see it. Here is it. The output will be XXHDPI folder. So whatever. So what I would select, what he selected here. Select what folder I want to do. This is for midmap and this is for drawable. I'm mostly working with the drawable, so let me select the drawable one. So I could work fine with them. So just I select drawable. I have different sizes that he told me. I don't want to support TV. I want to support LD, MD, HD, XHD, XXXX, all these sizes, which they are mentioned here. Okay, and I want them in the folder drawable. Okay, fine. Just copy these images, bump, drag them. It will take some time processing. Game process done. If you just go back here, you see here you have different size for the images. So now we get different size for drawable, HDPI, drawable, LDPI, MDPI, and all these sizes. If you just open any one of these, you will see, oh, I opened all these images, all these folders one times. So now if you see, if you just go drawable HDPI, this images will be sized to HDPI. So if you open the preview, you would see the size of this image. With like adjust size, you will see the size like 50-50. If you just go to the other one, you will see the size is different because he tried to give you different size for every image size. Like going here, it's really easy to see it here, the size of images like 100 pixel, 160, 240, and he take care of all these parts for you. So now you have the images, just drag and drop them in the application and boom, you will be fine. So what I will do, just go to Android Studio. The best solution is go to Android Studio, remove what you have previously from these images. Okay, hopefully I did not did any bug here because he's still using clear your project because he maybe have problem with these. See, he still have problem because he believe the image is there. So just uncopy these images that you have. There's a different way to copy these images. The easiest way, just go to the image that you have it, which is name it Kotlin, Android. Where is it? Assets. I have zoo app. Okay, and I have these images. Just this is the resource drawable. Just copy all these, okay, and go back to the project. Well, the project name. The project name is food app, I think. Bum bum. Hopefully the project is zoo app. Startup, build app, resource, main, resources. This one. If you see, he just have different sizes for whatever drawable. He don't have different sizes. He just have only this one. You could just copy these and boom, you'll be okay. And now you have different sizes of a drawable, and this is the main drawable one that you don't care about. So now what I will do is just try to do synchronize. Hopefully he will be able to do it all the folders for me. So now if you just go to drawable, see, he just was able to do it all the folders. Now you see I have different size of images. I have images for Babon, for HD, LD, MD, XHD, all these sizes. I have for this one different sizes. So in every screen, like if it is small devices, you will see it in this size. If it is very big, you will see it in this size. So he tried to show different devices with different size, which is amazing feature. So yes, this is what I want to show you here. So hopefully everything was clear, and we are okay, and we are good to go. And make sure always when you add images in your project, make sure to support different devices to avoid any problem issues. So yeah, are we done? And thank you for watching.